Okay, so now as we can see that all our nodes are online, master and 2 worker nodes. Now we need to connect it through PuTTY. I have already saved those links in PuTTY, master and 2 worker nodes. So I will load master first, and here we will log in with the login credentials, and we are live. And for worker 2 also we will log in with login credentials, and same as worker 2. So the master and both the workers we have logged in, and now you can see 3 nodes here, 1 master and 2 workers. We will just change the fonts of those letters so that it is clearly visible to us. So I will also change the font color. Okay, so now it's quite visible, 12, and I will put color as green. This step is actually not essential. I am just doing this because it will help me to share the screen more properly so that you guys will understand what is going on. Okay, so now we have 3 nodes in front of us. 1 is master, 2 workers, and now what we're gonna do is to log in as root. So sudo space su, we log in as root, and after login as root, we will do is to update the yum. So we will run yum update, yum -y update. It will update all the packages. We'll run yum update in all the nodes. So it is updating. It may take some time, so we need to wait. Okay, so worker 1 node has finished, master also has finished, so we'll just clear the screen, and worker 2 is still updating. Okay, now it's finished, so we will also clear the screen for worker 2. So now we need to make sure that the login is CLI based login, not the GUI based. For that we need to get the current settings. So get default is multi-user target, so it is CLI based login, not GUI based. If you in your system you will find that the login is a GUI based, then you need to change it through this command. But in my system it is already multi-user.target, so I don't need to change it. So first what we need to do is to set the host name. For that we need to type hostname ctl set hostname, and for master we will type master1.hadoop.com and set. Okay, it's done. For worker we just need to copy the command, and here the hostname will be worker1.hadoop.com. worker1.hadoop.com done, and here the hostname will be worker2.hadoop.com. Now we will disable the firewall and also stop the firewall. So systemctl disable firewall D and systemctl stop firewall D, and we need to run these commands in all the nodes. Okay, so now we need to set swappiness. For that we need to go to etc and sysctl.conf, and here we need to set the swappiness, VM swappiness to 10. So vm.swappiness equal to 10. We need to type and save it. Oops, 10. Okay, it's done, and we need to save it, and we need to do this in all other nodes. Now we need to change some configuration in AC Linux config, so we need to go to etc aclinux.config and here we need to change the AC Linux to disabled. Current status is enforcing, so we need to change. Oh, I have done something wrong. Again we'll open it, and we will change the AC Linux enforcing to disabled, and we will do it in all other nodes also. Okay, so now for here worker1 AC Linux disabled. Okay, and save it. So now we need to install NTP. I think NTP is already installed, but we need to check. Yeah, it is already installed. So Google GCP VMs already have NTPs in all the nodes, so we don't need to install it separately, we just need to enable them. So systemctl enable NTPD and systemctl start NTPD. Okay, it's done, and we need to run these commands in all other nodes also. It's done. Okay, start NTPD and done. So now we need to set some parameters in rc.local. So we need to go to rc.local, adc/rc.local, and we need to type this echo never /sys/kernel/mm/transparent huge page /enabled. Huge page /enabled, and also echo never to system kernel transparent huge page and defrag. Right, so it is done. So we need to save it. We will copy these two lines and save this and do these changes in all other nodes also. Okay, it's done. So now we need to set the host names. That's the hosts. So first we will write the host details in a notepad file, and as you can see master1.hadoop.com and worker1.hadoop.com and worker2.hadoop.com. We will just make it in a notepad and then directly paste it in the hosts file. So just copy, and here copy the internal IPs, not the external IPs. So we are copying the internal IPs. It's done. Okay, so we'll just go to vi space etc hosts and paste it there. It's done, and wq save. And we need to, okay, we have done a wrong thing. Actually the IP will come first and the name will come last, so we need to edit that, and again we'll copy that and change the host name accordingly. We'll delete this, and okay, so now it's right, IP first and the host name last. We'll save it and do these changes in all other nodes also. Yeah, it's done. So our VMs are now ready for deployment of Hortonworks HDP. So now we will deploy them and start the Hortonworks HDP cluster and see how it works. So let's go to the next video.